Do 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 do. This is my theme music. Make sure you subscribe. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, as you can tell by the title, I've decided to take you guys from my bathroom to my kitchen. If you read that title, then you know I'm going to be making some delicious plant-based tacos. And if you want to see how I do that, just make sure you keep on watching. What's up, everyone? So here's a list of all the things you will need. Paprika, adobo, salt, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, cumin, turmeric, or plain old taco seasoning. Here are some of the other ingredients you'll need: taco shells, onion, tomato, cauliflower, lettuce, and beefless ground. Okay, so once you have all of your vegetables chopped, you're going to want to add some plant-based butter to the bottom of your pan. And this is optional. I just don't like, it just adds a little bit more flavor, if you ask me. So then we're going to add the cauliflower and also some white onion. And then to the larger pan, we're going to add the beefless grounds. And I really was just being lazy. I probably could have I prefer them just with the cauliflower, but I was just being lazy. And I also wanted to show you all that you can have it two different ways. You can slip the beefless grounds on your meat-eating friends. So I added a little bit more onion to the cauliflower. And I'm going to use the taco seasoning on the beefless grounds. And I didn't use it all in this clip, but eventually I added the whole packet. Then I'm just going to add the seasonings to the cauliflower. And you can just eyeball it. I think I had a little bit too much salt in mine, but it turned out pretty good. Then I just mixed the seasonings in on the beefless grounds. And then I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning to my cauliflower. Oh, I forgot that I added some vegetable stock because the beefless grounds were kind of sticking. And it also added some more flavor to the cauliflower. Okay, so once I'm done adding all the seasonings, I'm just going to, come on girl, mix them in, making sure, and I have my pans on medium heat because the beefless grounds you just have to warm up, and I didn't cook the cauliflower until they were like super soft. I kind of like mine's a little crunchy. But I just mix that in, make sure the seasonings get all over the cauliflower. That's me turning the heat down. Okay, so once everything is all incorporated and it's to my liking, we'll give it a 2 thumbs up. And we'll begin to dress the tacos. This was a struggle. Here we go. First, the lettuce that we chopped earlier. This is going to take a while. Okay, so now that I finally have the lettuce on, I whipped up some pico and I'm just adding that to the top of each taco. And the pico is just regular pico, onions, tomato, cilantro, lime, you know, the usual. Okay, so now I'm adding some Tofutti sour cream. Yes, sour cream. This is a non-dairy sour cream because these are plant-based tacos, duh. Okay, so these are the tacos. I have 1 beefless and 2 cauliflower tacos, and they were amazing. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and press that notification bell after you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!